Stop scrolling. This might be the best value flagship you can buy right now. The POCO F8 Ultra just landed, and yes, it punches way above its price. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we've got the POCO F8 Ultra, a true value flagship with a massive 6,500 mAh battery, Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 power, triple 50 megapixel cameras, and, wait for it, a mini Bose-tuned subwoofer. I've been using it for a bit. Here's everything you need to know before you buy. Design and build. First impression, it feels premium. POCO went with a one-piece milled glass back and a textured denim blue option that's actually grippy and classy, not plasticky. It's a big phone, 6.9-inch display, but the weight is managed well thanks to the design choices. Display? Screen, 6.9-inch POCO, Hyper RGB AMOLED with a 120Hz refresh rate. Colors pop, brightness is high enough for outdoor use, and the 120Hz makes everything feel buttery smooth. Great for scrolling, gaming, and watching content. Performance. Under the hood, Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 with options up to 16GB RAM. This is flagship silicon. Apps load fast, games run at high settings, and real-world multitasking is flawless. Yes, it gets warm under heavy loads, but performance is right up there with phones costing hundreds more. Cameras. Cameras are a highlight. POCO put three 50-megapixel sensors, a large main with OIS, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 50-megapixel telephoto with 5x optical zoom. Daylight shots are sharp with good dynamic range. The zoom lens is genuinely useful for portraits and distant subjects. Night shots are solid, not flagship perfection, but impressive for the price. Unique features. Here's a weird but awesome one, a 2.1-channel speaker system with a tiny Bose-tuned subwoofer. That gives more weight to music and video. If you like loud, punchy sound without a Bluetooth speaker, this is wild. Just don't blast it on the bus. Battery. Battery life. A massive 6,500 mAh cell, which translates to all-day use and then some. Charging is fast, 100 watts wired and 50 watts wireless, hypercharge, top up in minutes, and the battery management is efficient for real-world use. Software. Software ships with HyperOS 3 on Android 16. It's feature-rich, though POCO Xiaomi update cadence can vary regionally. Keep that in mind if you're big on long-term OS updates. Price. At launch, it's positioned extremely competitively, roughly $700 to $800, depending on RAM storage configuration and regional deals. US availability may vary. Check trusted retailers. But overall, it's a flagship experience for less. Pros and cons. Quick hits. Pros. Flagship chipset, massive battery plus fast charging, excellent zoom camera, unique Bose subwoofer, big 120Hz AMOLED. Cons. Big size, not pocket-friendly for everyone. Software polish and update schedule can lag, gets warm under heavy sustained load. Verdict. My verdict, if you want flagship performance, stellar battery life, and a truly useful zoom lens without paying $1,000, the POCO F8 Ultra is a top contender. If you care more about ultra-compact size or the absolute best software updates, look elsewhere. Hit like if this helped, drop a comment what you want me to test next. Camera low light, gaming thermals, or a speaker shootout, and don't forget to subscribe.